All right, so as you can see, I am already now at $10,055. So I have been getting sales from my online store. And that's why I tell you something that if you really want to make money online, the best way to go about it is to get your own online store, right? Now, it's very simple, right? Look at Amazon, Walmart, Target. Look at all these stores. They are all online. So you yourself, you want to be online so that you can earn commissions consistently or make money online, right? Now let me show you some of those commissions, the way they are coming in, so that you know that the best thing is to have an online store. Now look at my Gmail account quickly. Just wait for it to load. I don't know why it's taking forever to load, which is weird when you think about it. Let's just refresh that page. All right, so it has loaded. So that this is my Gmail account, right? And then let's do a little search. I just want you to see something. Yep. So if you check here, you will see that I earned a commission, right? But that's not all the commission. I want you to look at more of it. I think it says you. Yep. I just want to make sure we check out this quickly. All right. Now you see that search I just did. You did it. You can see the number of commissions that are coming into my account almost every day or every other day. Can you see that? So this is amazing. Look at that. So many sales that I'm getting from this online store system. So this is crazy. All right. So let's go back here. Uh, yeah, so far with this online store, I'm already at $10,055. And let's go to my dashboard. Awesome. So this is my dashboard. Now, what I want to show you is the store, right? Look at the online store. Look at the number of products. So many. There are over 20 or more products in this online store. And you don't have to promote all of them, right? You just promote one link. That's all. And that link is called the MegaLink. So this is the MegaLink online store, okay? And that is how simple it is. And look, when you earn commission, you are paid those commissions, right? Let's check some of those payments quickly before I'm done with this video. Sorry for the slow internet. I don't know why it's so slow today. Yeah. Uh, let's see. So these are some of the payments that I received from this Wayne Crow Limited. Wayne Crow Limited, as you can see, this is Wayne Crow, and he's the creator of this online store system. And when you check some of those payments, you can look at it here. $313 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited from my online store. Let's check another payment quickly. Look at it. This is another payment I received from the Wayne Crow Limited, $1,000. How would you like to earn $1,000 over and over again from your online store? How would you like that? So you can see the power of having your own online store. And that's why I am letting you know that it is the best thing you can do for yourself. Okay? Let's check another payment. Look at it. This is another payment I received from my online store, $679 paid to me to my online bank account. Let's check another one. Look at this. Just wait for it to load. Yeah. So you can see another payment here of $1,500 paid to me. Is that not awesome? That's awesome. But let me show you more. Look at this. This is another payment of $1,004 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited from my online store. So I get all these sales and I get the money paid to me every week. Easy peasy, right? Let's check another one. Look at this. $642 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Let's check another one. Look at this. $2,000 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Check out another one. $679 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Check out another one. $1,000 paid to me. All right. So if you want to earn money like this, you want to have your own online store. Let's quickly go to my notes. So this online store is called the OLSP $7 MegaLink online store, and it's fully automated, right? Which is amazing. So everything is done for you. You don't have to buy any product. You don't have to set up anything. Everything is done for you completely. All right. So all you need to do is to get that your link and start sharing your link. With this online store, there is no need for you to create any product, no website needed. You don't need any technical skill. You don't need to recruit anybody. You don't need to call anybody. You don't need to sell anything. Just share your link on social media, and the commissions you earn are amazing. Okay, so you could earn commissions of 100% in front-end MegaLink sale to $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale in high ticket commissions, because the products in the system, they are softwares, apps, courses, marketing systems. So and you don't have to buy any of them. You just share your link. It's powerful, right? Now, how much does this whole online store cost? Just $7, right? $7 one-time payment, no monthly fees. So if you are ready to get started with this online store, or you want to join my team where we show you how we market our store, and also how we the whole strategy we use, right? What you want to do right now, go below this video you are watching right now. Okay, now once you come below the video, awesome. So once you come below this video you are watching right now, go to the first link that says step 1, join the OLSP $7 MegaLink system. Go ahead, click that first link. Now, once you click the first link, just like this, that will now bring you to this capture page website, okay? So, which is amazing, right? So that brings you immediately to this capture page website. Now, once you get here, it's very simple. You see where it says get instant access. So go ahead, enter your name here, enter your best email address here. Let me quickly show you. Enter your name here, then enter your best email address. Then you see the green button that says join now. Go ahead, click that green button. Awesome. Once you click the green button, that will now take you to the MegaLink website. Okay. Now, once you get here, the first thing you do, you want to watch the training videos, right? Now, after watching the training video, just come under the video. Okay. Once you come under the video, you are going to come to this Once you come under the video, you come to this orange box that says click here to get instant access. Okay, and how much does this whole online store cost you? Just $7. $7 one time, and you will get your own online MegaLink online store. That's incredible, right? And then all you need to do, like I said, you want to share your link, and then that will now help you to earn consistent commissions. And as you can see, I'm already at $10,055. All right. So if you have any question about the MegaLink online store, you can leave it in the comment section. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.